In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a page in Coda.io. If you collaborate in Coda and want to prevent accidental edits on a finalized page, locking is a simple way to keep your content safe while still making it easy for others to view. Before we begin, note that locking is a pro feature. If you're on a free plan or don't have the right permissions in the workspace, you may see the option grayed out or be prompted to upgrade. Start with the page open that you want to protect. Look to the top right of your Coda doc and click the three-dot menu. This is the main overflow menu for your document. From there, select Doc Settings. This opens a panel where you control high-level preferences for your doc, including collaboration and access behavior. In the Settings panel, find and select Locking from the menu. This section is dedicated to controlling whether content can be changed. It's designed for moments when you're ready to share a polished page with your team, but don't want someone to accidentally edit text, restructure a table, or modify key content during a presentation or handoff. Once you're in the locking section, toggle the switch to Locked. When you turn this on, Coda will apply a read-only state to the page, helping ensure that the content remains exactly as you intended. You'll typically notice that editing controls become disabled, and collaborators will see that the page cannot be modified. This is especially helpful for published guidelines, sign-off documents, or dashboards where consistency matters. If you don't see the locking option or can't toggle it, double-check two things. First, make sure your workspace is on a pro plan or higher. Second, confirm that you have the necessary permissions in the doc, such as being an editor or owner. If either of those conditions isn't met, the locking control may be unavailable. A few best practices can make this even smoother. Locking is most effective after you've completed reviews and finalized content, so use it as a finishing step to signal that the page is stable. Communicate to your team that the page is locked so they know to request changes rather than editing directly. This helps maintain a clean, reliable source of truth for your project. That's all it takes. Click the three-dot menu, open Doc Settings, choose Locking, and toggle the switch to Locked. With just a few clicks, your Coda page is protected from accidental edits and ready to share confidently. Thanks for watching and happy building in Coda.